May the 1st, Saadi Commemoration Day. In the name of the Lord, soul creating, wise one, speech creating in the tongue, Lord forgiving, apt to help, generous, fault forgiving, excuse accepting. So wide he spreads his table's liberality, that even Simorg eats his share on calf. From east to west, the moon and sun, he set in motion and placed the world on water. Mushrifuddin Musleh ibn Abdullah Saadi Shirazi is a 7th century poet and writer born in Shiraz. He completed his preliminary studies there, and at a young age he joined the Nizamiya school in Baghdad to pursue studying literature, theology, and wisdom. Then he traveled to Sham, Morocco, Abyssinia, and Hijaz. After returning to Shiraz, he began to write his masterpieces. In 655, he compiled Saadi Name, or Bustan, and during the following year, in 656, he wrote Golestan. In addition, he wrote balladry poems, odes, sonnets, strophe poems, quatrains, articles, and Arabic lyrics, all of which have been collected in one book. He died between 690 and 694 Hijri year in the city of Shiraz. Saadi was a worldly wise poet and a tourist of distant lands. His journeys were not only for the purpose of acquiring knowledge and awareness of different customs and cultures, but each trip brought him spiritual experience. The outcome of these trips for this poet was a multitude of narrations, stories, and observations that were rooted in the reality of life, and is perhaps one of the most important factors in Saadi's advice and counsel among various classes of people in society. His poems are of strength, elegance, steadfastness, simplicity, and intimate. Saadi's glorious language never boasts its perfection to the audience. There is no trace of egotism or haughtiness. Instead, he is humble and modest, which is the core reason of winning the heart of every great-hearted reader, and establishes a good bonding within.